looking for bathroom renovation and remodel services in Strathcona County. At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to have a bathroom that combines both style and functionality. Our bathroom renovation and remodel services are designed to elevate your space with expert craftsmanship and top-quality materials. Whether you're updating fixtures, enhancing storage, or doing a complete renovation, we provide solutions that fit your vision and budget. In Strathcona County, we understand the unique needs of homeowners who want a stylish, practical bathroom, which is why we offer tailored solutions to meet those specific requirements. Why choose Kingstree Plumbing? With years of experience, we're known for our reliability, quality results, and hassle-free process that ensures your renovation goes smoothly. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for bathroom renovation and remodel services in Strathcona County.